Hello guys, seriously, tomorrow is my test, so I will study first so that I can answer all the questions tomorrow there in the exam center. So these are the examples that I'm gonna answer there when I arrive tomorrow. So what does this road sign means? What does this road sign means? Keep right. This road turns sharply right ahead. This one turns slightly right ahead. Traffic must exit to the right. Keep right. I don't know this. Keep right. Let us try this. Yes, I got it. I got it. Next. Because I forgot that, guys. 5 years already, I took my exam and I took again. What does this road sign means? Only right turns are allowed. You may not park between here and a corner. You must turn right. All turns are allowed. All turns are allowed. Let us see here. Yeah, you must turn. The right answer is you must turn right. You must turn right. Okay, next. What does this road sign means? Left turns are not allowed. Right turns are not allowed. Going straight is allowed. Going straight is not allowed. I got it. Next is, if a fully licensed driver accumulates 15 or more demerits points on his or her record, the driver's license will be suspended for 14 days. Oopsie, see? If a fully licensed driver accumulates 15 or more demerits points on his or her record, the driver's license will be suspended for 30 days is the right answer, guys. 30 days. Next, if you are approaching an intersection at which traffic lights are not working, you should. If you are approaching an intersection at which traffic lights are not working, you should stop until no other vehicle are approaching and then go. Slow down and proceed with caution. Yell to the traffic to the right. Treat it as if there are always stop sign. Let us yell to traffic. Yell to the traffic to your right. If you are approaching an intersection at which traffic lights are slow down and proceed with caution. Treat it as if there were always stop sign. Treat it as. What's this saying? If you are approaching an intersection at which the traffic lights are not working, you should treat it as if there are always stop signs. Okay, I got the wrong for that. While driving on a two-way street, you heard a siren for an approaching emergency vehicle. What does the law require you to do? Speed up and get out of way. Signal the driver to pass. Continue all the same speed. Pull to the right as far as possible. Stop. This one. Next question, guys. An intersection. The traffic light is red, but a police officer motion you go through. What you should do? You go through. An intersection. The traffic light is red, but a police officer motions you go through. What you should do? Go through. Stop and make sure that the police officer really wants you to go through. Tell the police officer once the light is red, wait for the light turn to green. Go through. Tell the police officer, wait for the light turns to green. Stop and make sure that the police... Go through. Go through. At an intersection, the traffic light is red, but a police officer motion, you go through. What you should do? Go through. You should go through. Next. If you change your name or address, you must notify the Ministry of Transportation within 6 days. 6 days. Next. When approaching emerging traffic signs, you should let the cars be. When approaching emerging traffic sign, you should let the cars behind you go first. Honk your horn. Stop your vehicle before proceeding. Adjust your speed. Stop your vehicle before proceeding. Adjust your speed and position. Oh, I get wrong, guys. So many wrongs. Good luck for me tomorrow, Gemma. Bye.